Hello, welcome to Project Crossover. This is the last paper we're doing on Project Crossover. It has been a fun activity for me to do during the Easter holidays, and I hope that it helps you in order to progress and pass your maths GCSE, or just give you those solid foundations to get a 5 and 6 on the higher. So again, sponsored by Grays Hockey. They are absolute heroes. They sponsor me. They look after me for my hockey equipment. I've got to drop them in this video. If you're thinking about getting any Grays equipment, drop a comment into the comment section. I'll get you a 15% off code as soon as I get it through. I'm expecting it by June, to be honest. So yeah, it could be a nice treat for you after your exams. And then, of course, here's the channel. We're at 1.17k subscribers now. So the channel has been growing still, another 20 over the Easter break, which is great. This one is a regional paper. Remember, you can get it all on Physics and Maths Tutor. Go on to Physics and Maths Tutor and look for these iGCSE papers. They are all there for you. Okay, question one, show that. So I've been on it with my year 11s, making sure they know how to do this. We cannot work with mixed numbers when we're dividing and multiplying. So we need to convert them. 4 times 3 is 12. Add the 2 is 14. 1 times 6 is 6, plus the 5 is 11. And then 2 times 11, oh no, I don't need to do that. Don't need to do that. Just get the answer, be fine. Right, keep, change, flip. And we progress it from here. However, I like to cross cancel. 6 and 3 will divide by 3, giving me a 1 and a 2. And now I'm going to the Galaxy pen. Going to treat myself on the last video. 14 times 2, 28, not the last video, last paper. 1 times 11 is 11. 11 goes into 28 twice, and there is a remainder of 6. Is that what we wanted? That's what we wanted. Okay. Question 2. Oh no. On the grid, rotate triangle A 180 degrees about 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is there. Label the new triangle B. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. That vertex is going there. Then it's 1 up. So down here, it will be 1 down. And then from this corner, it's 2 away, 1, 2 away. Look at that. And of course, if you wanted to, you could join up the vertices just to check that they pass through the center of enlargement, center of rotation, but we're fine. And I've got to label it B, got to follow all my instructions. On the grid, translate triangle A, do the top bit, -6, -7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then up 3, 1, 2, 3. So that top corner is going to go into there, go down 1, go across 2, and then go diagonal 1. And that is C. Done. Can't be any more. No, it's finished. Whew, thank goodness. Only 1 mark for that as well. Crazy. So 3 in total. Y is an integer. Find all the possible values of y. This is quite big. So can it be -8? No. What's in the middle there? It's 2y. So we've got to do something first. Divide everything by 2. So -8 divided by 2 is -4. Keep the symbol the same, y, and then 1. Right, can it be -4? No. Can it be -3? Yes. -2, -1, 0. Can it be 1? Well, we've got an equal to symbol there, so yes, it can. 1. Okay, write down the inequality. So we've got x, we've got an arrow here, it's going that way, which means it's that symbol. And then finally, the dot is not coloured in, so it is not going to include -1. So x is just greater than -1. Question 4, good old angle bisector. My class complained because I gave them a past paper or two and there was no constructions at all. And they were like, sir, why have we done this in class? So it might come up, and it comes up. This is probably the second one I've had to do in this whole series of papers. So it's rare, but it will come up. So you need to keep your compasses, like I would measure it so it's going to go to there. All right, so you need to keep your compasses the same length all the way through. So first of all, you put the point there and draw an arc, and what you can do is you can actually draw your arc all the way around if you want to. That's fine. So that's step 1. Step 2 is to put the pointy bit where your arc has met the line, and you draw another arc. And then you put your pointy bit there, where the arc meets the other line, you draw another arc. And then for step 3, get your ruler, and where they've crossed over, between there and the point, you draw your line through. And then finally, do not rub any of this out, because that is all working. The examiner needs to see that, otherwise they'll just see a line going through and they'll think that it's just been done without those construction workings. Okay, question 5 on the grid. That's not fair. This is not in the format of y equals mx plus c. So let's make it so. 2y equals minus 5x plus 10. Y equals minus 5 over 2x plus 5. So first of all, I've just subtracted the 5x. Then I've divided everything by 2. So what this tells us is it's going to go through the x-axis at 5. So that's our first point. It goes through there. The next thing that we know is it's going down. And if we go across 5, it's going down 2. I think. Something like that. It'll be fine. No, if we go across by 1, it goes down by 5.2, or 5 over 2. So if we go across by 2, it's going to go down by 5. So that means that that is going to be my next coordinate. And actually what we could have done is we could have made 0, y equals 0, and then figure out what x would be. So you add that over there, equals 5. 5x equals 10, x equals 2, and look, that's where the x coordinate is. This is not nice, it's not kind. Okay, but effectively you just need to find 2 coordinates that fit the equation, and then draw the line in, and we're there. And an alternative you could have done was you could say, well, what would happen on this equation? 5x plus 2y is equal to 10. You can say if x equals 4, you've got 5 lots of 4 plus 2y equals 10. 20 plus 2y is equal to 10. 2y is equal to negative 10. Y is equal to negative 5. Have a look where it is when x is 4, at minus 5. So you can just pick a value, chuck it in, and get an answer out of it, and that'll be a coordinate for you. Right, question 6, last one we'll do, then we end for part 1. In a bag, there are only red, blue, green, yellow counters. Red, blue, green, yellow. I like to rewrite this, so I've got to read through it all again. The total number of counters in the bag is 80. Oh, look at that bit of algebra. So red is x plus 7. Blue is x minus 11. Green is 3x. And then y, I don't want to work that out yet. The probability that he takes a red counter is a quarter. Right, 80 times by a quarter is equal to 20. That means there's 20 reds. X plus 7 equals 20. And therefore x equals 13. So there's 20 reds. 13 minus 11 is 2. 13 times by 3 is 39. 80 take away 20 and 2 and 39 is going to give me what's left. 20. Come on, turn on. Oh, going back to the CG50. I've had enough of the class quiz. It's upset me too much. There we are. 61. 80 take away the answer. 19. So 19 out of 80. That's our final answer. Right, team, that's it for this video. I will see you for part 2, the last bit of project crossover. Good luck for your exam. Subscribe to the channel. Do it. Just do it. Just do it. Get other people to subscribe as well. And I'll see you next time. Bye.